Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find and use the rain and lightning sound effect to your videos in CapCut. So if you are in need of the rain and lightning sound effect, here's how to find it on CapCut. First, you need to go to the audio menu at the bottom, click on sound. Then after that, click on the search column in here and type in rain outside keyword. So this is for the rain sound effect. You can just play it first to preview how it sounds. Okay, after that, just click on the plus icon to add it to your videos, and you can just adjust it as you like on the sound itself. And the lightning just do the same, click on sound and then search for lightning. Okay, then you can choose the one that fits your video the best. Okay, just click on a plus icon again and adjust it as you like, and after that you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Thank you.